Welcome to Forge Wolf Games, and we're coming back to Brotato for another episode. Hopefully this goes better than my last recording. For some reason, it stopped about 5-6 minutes early before the end of the run. So we're gonna try to do this again, and I'm not sure who I'm gonna go with. A difficulty one. Why not? Probably die, but we'll see. It's so easy that you almost forget that you're actually supposed to be trying. Now we'll just go on. Since we can't afford anything, might as well save up money. Years. I'm robbing the kids for that. It always starts off that way though, and then things get crazy. You know, I just save. Alright. Now we're looking at it. Just tear right through them, please. Yes. Fear me, I'm the mutant potato that grows in the walls. Tree. You die? You die? Oh. I didn't get to get all the money. Great, that. More luck. We'll take that. Oh, always handy. Reroll once, and then we'll take that. I want to know how something like this even knows classes being fair, because it's got like so many eyes, that deal all lenses. And in case you don't know what I'm talking about, right there. Normal glasses for something like this. Oop. Right. And we'll just delete all these guys on the map real quick. Delete that one. A little bit like Oprah here. You get deleted, and you get deleted, and you get deleted. Another crate. Ooh. Hold that. Oh, so much luck. We'll hold all those. Just deleted an entire group before they spawned. I almost feel bad for them at this stage, but I know I'm gonna be crying for help later. So far, so good. These little floaty guys would leave me alone. Nope. That guy, the ones with the bones are healers, don't let them hang around too long. Or you may start having trouble. Okay, trying to stop playing. Bone guy there, there we go. Nope. You're gonna get me. Not getting me today. No. Ow. Stop it. Saved by the bell. I just got the achievement Reckless for finishing the wave with 1 HP. I bet. Oh, that guy just went poof. They joined the dinosaurs. Yeah, so far, all of them are with this I'm actually liking this. Usually the bigger guys take quite a few bullets to go down, but I guess it's good now. Oh, whoa, armor guy. And he died pretty quickly too. Last time I did this, it did not go that well. Oh, ow. Gotta watch where I'm going. Ow. No, no. Gotta get this money. Yeah. Ooh. Missed 30. Ow. Those. Nope. Nope. Nope on a rope. Oh, this is looking dicey. It's only wave 9. We can't end the video like this. Oh, why is there so many? I'll give us +6, why not? Wave. But we need this shotgun, so... Shotgun first. Okay. I shouldn't be doing that, because last time I did that, I almost died. At least the shotgun's helping clear him out somewhat. Especially with that Pierce in there. Ow. I just walked in there. I didn't even look. Being stupid. Ooh. Almost got pinched by those two. I got hit by him though. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I did nothing to any of you. I swear. Yet. But once I do something to you, you're not around to complain about it anymore, so... Come on. Come on. Oh, at least I'm deleting faster. You can delete it. And let's go to YouTube. And you. Those guys hit hard. Ridiculously hard. My whole one was gone. I've only got hit by those guys twice. Oh! We can't end it there. Okay. Die. You die. I said die. All of you. All of you will. 35. About halfway back, folks. A bit longer. Come on. Maybe I'll just leave in the rest of this, because I'm not sure this is going to do any better. Maybe, I don't know. So I seem to be deleting. Sucks I can't get the same rolls. So many different things. I wanted the potato. Hold on to those. It's not a minigun, but it simulates one properly. sound is really grating in my ear. That's a healer right away. That's good. Who said you can be here? Nobody said you can be here. Get off my lawn! Dang kids. Leave. You can leave. And you guys can definitely leave. Do you mind? I'm trying to have a lovely time being a mutant, and you slugs keep getting in my way. Good, so far so good. Whoa. Ow. I need a tree. I need a tree. Where's a tree? No. All of you, back off. Back off. Where's a tree when you need one? There's a tree. Ooh, almost didn't matter. A little crowded. Oh, he's like a good bazooka. Yeet. These guys are not happy I shot up their buddies. So many of them. Call me Miss Butterfinger for a reason! No, now I've got it. No. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second. Head injury. Yeah, that sounds like me. Listen to the sounds of freedom. Ow. I said no touch. No touchy! I see you over there. No. Ow. I said no. Oh. Well, we didn't make it back to where we died the first time, but I think that's gonna have to end the episode, folks. Apparently, mostly SMGs is not the way to go. Have a good day, everybody, and catch you on the next one.